1.5 million people.
You call you, but you won't come to the phone. Remember me, said you'd be my heart's home.
Zimbabwe has a population of 16 million people.
Go, oh, I really should've known. Be with enemy.
Harare is the capital of Zimbabwe and the largest city in Zimbabwe.
Oh, after all that time, this is it for us. You don't wanna try. God, your love was real, but it's not for us. Now you can't decide. Oh, oh, oh. After all this time, this was it for us. Change your energy, yeah, you switch things up. Now you seem brand new to me, but was that even